I don't know why they have that. I don't know how they have the flash on.
You know how to do it, right?
I hope so.
Go.
Okay, let's see. Whoa.
Hold up.
A bit more aggressive. All right, now I'm going.
Where's the... Oh, there's the fuse. Are we dead ass? Come on now. Can you fucking let already? Goddamn.
Let's see here.
If it fit. Oh shit! Hold up. Wait a second. I think we're good. That let off a lot of smoke. Leave the fire there until it starts sparking. Hurry up. Why are you looking? Just hurry up. You want me to help?
Yeah, for some god reason, it's
Buddy, it's on the safety.
Oh my god.
Idiot. Move out the way. Hold up. Oh, yep. Okay, you can get it. That was boring.
Oh, super lame.
Pick that one up and then start the other one. Hurry up. Stop looking back. Hurry up, hurry. That was lame. Ooh. Kind of burnt me a bit. All right, come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. Use your hand to cover the fuse. Stop looking. Just do it. That was kind of lame.
I guess if we put it like this in the ground so it could go up.
I don't trust that. I don't trust this one bit. Oh, fuck.
We got it.
Okay, at least we did it right. Lay it on me. Lay it on me. All right, place it down. No, do that green fuse and start. Run, boy.
Run.
That's cool. Go, hurry up. Okay. Oh, what the hell? Oh, shit.
Oh my, what the?
It burnt.
Bro,
Huh?
It burned you?
No, it burnt the freaking
The-
paper
the
instead of
pa-
the fuse.
the paper.
Buddy, come on now. Oh, I thought you didn't do it for a second. Getting back, actually. Woo! How did the sparks get me from here? Oh! Oh! Damn. Oh, shit. No popping? I don't trust that. Oh, so it looks like it gives out fireworks and flares. Hold on, is there any more? I don't trust that. I don't trust that.
Is there any more?
Okay. Okay, okay. Hold up. I haven't done 2 before. Oh, fuck, I can't do it. I can't do it. This is gonna be a disaster. Okay. Hold up. The other one I need to do. Pick that one up. Go, pick up that one. What the hell? Go, hurry up, bro. That was lame.
What?
That was lame. I think that one fried it.
Dude, what happened?
Hold up, actually. Got one more.
I'm scared.
Yeah, they're active fireworks. Hold up. Okay, yeah, you can pick it up.
It has the fuse. It has the fuse.
Right.
Why?
That's better. The big boy. Now, where's the fuse?
Right here.
Let me turn it around so I can actually fucking see. Get out of here.
Put it up.
Come on.
Alright.
Hurry. Come on. I know you still got. Oh, there we go. Is that it? Is that it?
Not on me.
Last one. The red one. Are we dead ass? Oh. And that's not going anywhere. We're done. Record.
Yeah.
That kind of hurt in my eyes.
Oh my god.
All right, grab one. Be careful with this. Wait, you want me to do it?
I think I can do it.
Once it starts flaring, you throw it as far as you can, but not near that house. Otherwise, we're gonna get sued.
What?
Use your thought, bro. Hurry the hell up.
It's not working.
Okay, you know what? Give me it. Mother. Throw it. You gotta hold.
is that?
You gotta press down on it, Nathan. I'm actually gonna place these 2 down for this
Alright.
because I don't trust myself in throwing 2 fuses.
2 fuses?
Active fuses. Gosh, only one of them activated.
Okay. Whoa! What happened to the other one?
Is it gone? Zoom in the camera.
Wait, hold up.
Oh yeah, they both died.
Yeah.
They're both died. Wait, hold up.
No, that's from a previous one.
Oh no, they're gone. All these are gonna die. So.
Okay. Alright, light it.
want to try it?
Fine.
Or
Sure.
you don't trust? Or do you not trust yourself, or do you want me to do it?
I can do it.
All right. Take this lighter. How much you doing?
4.
Okay. Let me just. Oh, you can move this. Okay. Holy crap, dude. Okay. Line them up. All right, go. Do it in the center. Run. Hey, hold on. I see something.
Hold on. Okay. Now run.
Get the fuck out of here. Oh my god, it's a big fight. Wow. That was fun. I saw some flares go right there. Holy shit. Yo. What are you doing, bro? Hold up. Wait. Stop focusing. There you go. Go. Be careful. Run. Maybe we should tone it down. Hold it. Okay. Oh, never mind.
Whoa.
Careful now, because there's flares everywhere, and this is hurting my eyes so badly, bro. It's literally starting to picture into my eyes.
That's what happened.
Oh, shit.
Okay, well,
Let me just make sure.
Okay,
You want to try this time? Ah, goddamn, I'm gonna hurt myself.
Okay.
Oh, okay. I was about to gum over there. Thank God I didn't. Hey now, Spark is coming to me, buddy. What the hell? Ow, fuck!
Oh my god.
Try this at home. No one do.
Oh my god.
Put both of them together. Oh, never mind. Transport the other one. You got both of them. Be careful. Do not try this at home, bro. We have parent supervision. That's watching my sister right now. Shit, bro. I dare you to throw both of them.
Okay.
I'm saying back up. Back in the... I just bumped into a fucking wall. One of them's already out, and I bumped into a wall.
Spark. Oh, never mind. Oh.
Ooh, they're all
Oh my god, that's actually so bright.
It is on fire, isn't it?
Yeah, that's why I'm looking through the camera. Look nice.
Oh my god.
It's so
Yo,
so
zoom
bright.
Zoom into this.
Oh my god. Look at that.
Dude. Yo, we should do this more often, bro.
Yeah.
That thing's quite literally on fire. We should not be doing this. This is a
Yeah.
safety hazard.
Can you throw it?
You dare me?
Yeah.
Oh man.
It just automatically just disintegrated.
Everyone out. Come on, hurry.
Oh wait, you didn't warn me. You didn't warn me.
All right, we got approval from my dad. And I'm pretty sure there's a car coming, so we're gonna wait a bit. Don't record a car.
Alright. Let me just zoom in. Alright, run. What? I don't know what caught on fire, but
Where's the oh my god!
the entire box got the.
Wait, is it? Oh shit! Fuses
He
are so
got
everywhere.
he got everywhere.
I'm gonna do 3 instead of 2. He did say do. Oh wait, there's a car coming.
Oh!
Ah shit! My finger's stuck.
Got too close.
My finger's too fucking. My left finger's too. Hey, go, point it over there. God damn it! I'm just getting back so I can actually do it better. God damn! Stop moving. Go. You're weak. So we're going back inside. That was fun. We didn't really buy all of them because it was kind of boring. Come on, Nate. You can do it. Come on, Nate. Okay, so we got